Good day everyone, Nathan here from Squirrel, South Island. Welcome to our monthly mortgage update. I hope everyone had a good May and looking forward to June, and in no time we'll have July and then school holidays. So lots been happening. It's cold winter days, so hopefully everyone's looking after themselves and their loved ones. Looking at May, we had a really good busy month. 30% of the whole entire applications went to first home buyers. They're buying their first home with as little as 5% deposit, 10% deposit. Construction activity is picked up quite a lot as we've got more and more land coming in Selwyn with 1,000 sections coming recently. And Earlsbrook is the star subdivision in Lincoln. There is no shortage of land in Christchurch if you're looking at building your first home with as little as 10% deposit. There are some banks that will offer you some special interest rates if you're looking at construction. And if you are thinking of doing a house and land package or a turnkey, just chat with the team. We're doing heaps of building construction and we can help you make a very informed decision around that space. Refinancing and restructuring is another 30%. So a big piece of what we're doing right now in our office is helping existing clients restructure their mortgages, consolidate their debts, release some equity for renovations, on holidays. We've got plenty of clients, they're already planning their Christmas holidays, and often we do a lot of these top-ups in the winter time so they can plan for their holidays in summer. Investment property is down significantly this month as compared to March and April, and that's purely driven by the confidence in the market. We had a very strong recovery in terms of confidence and people buying investment properties, but the war and surging fuel prices, they've put a big handbrake on everyone's confidence. So we're seeing a big drop in investment property, and I expect the next couple of months to be very quiet for property investors. There are still plenty of affordable opportunities if you're looking at buying your first rental, if your jobs are secure, you've got plenty of equity in the property. This time could be a great time to look at your long-term investment strategy and see whether buying or building an investment property might be the right fit for your and your family. We've got good experience in the office to help clients buy or build investment properties. So if there's anything we can do in that space, you can reach out to the team anytime. Remaining 10-20% is more your construction development. That activity is very high in Christchurch. There is no stoppage of building construction of those units within the central city and the outskirts like St Albans, Maryvale, Papanui, Harewood, Bishopdale, where we are seeing good number of units coming. Most of these units are being snapped up by people moving from Auckland. There's a good internal migration happening in Christchurch right now, and surprisingly, the number of people from Aussie who are looking at buying properties in Christchurch is the highest I've seen over the last 3 years. We used to get maybe 1 or 2 phone calls once a month from someone looking at buying a property from Australia. We're doing 2 or 3 a week right now. And those are the clients that have got some sort of connections back home and are pretty keen to buy a property here in Christchurch. So that's quite exciting. The city's got a good optimism, affordable prices, interest rates, they are going up. We had the OCR on hold at 2.25%, but the Reserve Bank made it really clear that they've got intention to bump up the rates strongly within the next 6 to 9 months. So if you are looking at borrowing money, just be a little bit cautious because the rate's going to be increasing within the next 3 to 6 months. If you're looking at selling and buying, just reach out to us well and truly in advance so we can do all the numbers for you and help you make a very informed decision how much money you can borrow and how to pay off the existing lending, the bridging finances, and just all of the banking jargons we can simplify so you can push ahead with your plans for yourself and your family. So plenty going on in the home lending space. So if you're looking at borrowing money or doing any kind of restructure with your home loan, you can reach out to the team and we're always happy to help. We are pretty excited to add a couple of more experienced people into the team to help you provide a better service for many more years to come. That's it from me. Wish you a lovely June and look forward to catching up with you next month. Thanks very much.